Hi everyone, welcome back to Skewer. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to scroll up and down a web page using Selenium. This is really useful when you need to test your pages or make sure certain elements are visible. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I have explained the difference between the driver code page and driver code plus. So let's start. Create a new Python file. I click on this Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name, scroll, and then click on Python file. Next, import the my class for locating web elements from Selenium .webdriver .common .by and then import by. Now, import the time module for adding delays. Import time. Next thing, here we need to import the WebDriver module from Selenium. From Selenium, import WebDriver. Now, initialize a Chrome WebDriver instance. Driver is equal to WebDriver.Chrome. Here you can view the different browsers are available. Chrome, Safari. So click on this Chrome. After initializing the instance of the Chrome browser, navigate to the URL by using create a variable URL is equal to here, enter the URL of the web page and then open the URL in the Chrome browser by using driver.get and variable name is URL. On URL, now copy the URL and paste here in double. Now, adding a delay for 3 seconds to allow the page time dot slip 3 second wait, and then we will perform the scroll down to the bottom of the page using JavaScript. By using JavaScript, so here you use driver.execute script and window.scroll pop 0 document and then body.scroll height and then close this round brackets. Now add the delay for 3 seconds after scrolling down. Time dot select 3 seconds. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds after opening this URL and then scroll down of the web page. Let's run this script. Right click and then click on run scroll. Chrome driver is opening and navigate to this URL and then scroll down of the web page. Here you can view the scroll down of this web page. Now I will show you how to scroll to the top of the page using JavaScript driver dot execute script and then window dot scroll to and then round brackets 0, 0 and then after this double commas and then round brackets. Add some wait here time dot select. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds. After wait 3 seconds, it will scroll down of the page and then wait for 3 seconds. After wait, it will scroll up of the page and then wait for 3 seconds. Let's run this script. WebDriver is opening. It will navigate to this URL and scroll down of the web page and then perform the scroll up of the page. After this, you can click on this context by using link text. Here, link text is context. So use here driver.find_element by link text. Here, multiple locators are available. You can locate by link text, and the link text is context. After scroll up of the page, you can click on this link. So use dot click and then wait for 5 seconds. Time.select. Let's all this script. WebDriver is opening. Navigate to this URL, perform the scroll down the page and then scroll up. After scroll up, it will click on the context link. That is for today. Now you know how to scroll up and down in Selenium, which is helpful when working with long web pages. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SK World. Feel free to leave your question or video request in the comment. Thanks for watching.